Hey, welcome back to my channel, Mr. Levy's Math Room. Right? Now today, last time we looked at fractions and we say what a fraction is. Right? Now, what did we say fractions were? We say fractions are parts of a whole. Right? And we talk about numerator and denominator. We talk about proper and improper fractions. Right? We say proper fractions are fractions in which the numerator is smaller than the denominator, meaning the fraction is less than 1. Alright? And then we spoke about improper fractions. Improper fractions are fractions in which the numerator is what? Bigger than the denominator. Right? And so the fraction is more than 1. Right? So today we are going to be looking at equivalent fractions. What are we going to look at? Equivalent fractions. Now, what word do you hear coming from the word equivalent? Good, you're smart. So we get the word equal. Right? So equivalent fractions used to be called equal fractions. Right? And so we're going to be looking at equivalent fractions. Alright? So if they are equal, it means that what? They are the same. Good. Good. See? See my hand here? Equal. Eh? Equal. Equal. See? Equal. Over here, sir. Over here, sir. Oh. So this side big. Ah. This side big. Ah. Ah. Alright? Okay. Let's use this. Equal. Equal. Equal 5, 5, right? Equal. Good. Now, let's look at this. So, let's say we have the numbers and tell me what you see. So, we have that, we have that, we have that, right? So, we have 1/2. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. Hold on. Going too fast. That. That. Let's do that. Right? So we have 1/2, 2/4, and we have 3/6. Good? Now, let's say, let's use circles this time. Alright? So we have that, we have that, we have that. Alright? Now, let's see, we have them same size, eh? Good. So this one say how many parts what are these? So these are pizza. Pizza. I love pizza. You love pizza? Oh yes, okay. Alright, so this pizza is divided into two equal parts. Them look equal? No, that's bigger. Anyway. So this, right? So these, the pizza is divided into two parts, right? But we want how many parts outside? One. Good. So to cover that side here. Right? So we say that is how much, what fraction of the pizza is? Half. Right? Everybody know half. Right? But some people say they want the bigger half. Right? So this pizza here is divided into how many parts? See that? 4. Right? So that, that. And how many parts are we taking out? Thus 2. Right? So we take out, let's take out these bottom pieces. Right? Now this pizza over here, so now what do you notice? If I give away half of this pizza, right? Now it means that if me give you this piece, I may take the piece over here, so the two will get the same. That's all. Same. Now, see, look over here. This here, this half is divided into two parts, right? Down here, so. And this one now I go share to two people. And up here, so. share for 1 next 2. Right? So that's a 4. It means that the more people get smaller, their slices of pizza would be smaller. Isn't that so? Yes. So these are smaller than this, even though we still give away a half. Right? Now this pizza is divided into how many parts? All of 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? That's divided into 6 pieces. And we are giving away 3 pieces out of it. So let's give away the top part then. 1, 2, 3. So, right? So we have given away 3. Now notice that we have given away, in this case, a half of the pizza. We have also given away a half of the pizza here, and over here we have given away a half of the pizza. Right? So in all cases, we have given away half of the pizza. Right? But the difference, notice what the difference is. In this case, this man here get 1/2 of the pizza for himself. Right? Now this one here, they have to share a half pizza for how many of them? 2 of them. Right? Now over here, these persons have to share their half of the pizza for 3 of them. So it means that even though we give away half of the pizza, we give away the half to 3 people, so they got smaller slices. Right? Now over here, we give away 2 parts, they got bigger slices than this one. But over here, we give away a half, but only one person get that half. Right? So in all of these cases, the portion that we gave away was the same. Right? It was a half. Good? So we say these fractions, we say they are equivalent, they are the same, they are equal. Right? So when it comes down to equivalent fractions, the fractions are equal, even though the denominators may be different and the numerators may be different. Alright? When we simplify them, they work out back to a half, or 1/2. That's what a half is. A half is 1/2 because we said it's 1 part out of 2 because we're dividing the whole into 2 equal parts. Right? In this case, 2 equal parts, 1 and 1. In this case, 2 equal parts, these and these, but down here is 2 parts, up here is 2 parts. Right? Same thing with this, 3 parts, 3 parts. Right? So we divide this into 2 equal sides. Right? So 3 up here, 3 down here. It's like a playing cricket. That team over there, so have 11. This is a team over here, so you go. Have 11. That's all. Right? Like football then, or netball. 7-7 and 11-11. Alright? Alright. So that's how it works. So, same thing. Alright. Now, how can we form equivalent fractions? Let's look at that. So let's say, let me get back the same numbers. So we have 1/2. Now, one of the fraction was what? We had 2/4. We had 3/6. Right? Now, if I multiply the numerator and the denominator by the same number, the value of the number doesn't change. The value remains the same. Huh? Good. Now let's see. So let's say if I multiply this numerator by 2 and this denominator by 2, I get what? So 2 times 1 is 2 and 2 times 2 is 4. Right? Good. So this 2/4 is an equivalent fraction to 1/2. Right? So we see the values remain the same. Right? Good. That's 2 parts out of 4 parts. That's a half of it. Now, I could extend this further, this fraction here, extend it further by multiplying the numerator and the denominator by the same number to get another equal fraction, or another equivalent fraction. So let's multiply the numerator by, say, 2. If I multiply the numerator by 2 and I multiply the denominator by 2, what fraction do we get? What fraction do we get? Okay, so 2 times 2 is 4, and 4 twos 8. See? We are back to it. So 2 over 2, 4, 4 over 8, 1 over 2. They're all equivalent fractions. So that's how we make an equivalent fraction. So we multiply the numerator and the denominator by the same number. Alright? So what I want you to do for me, you're going to make some equivalent fractions for yourselves. You're going to make 10 of them. Alright? So make 10 equivalent fractions by multiplying the numerator and the denominator by the same number. Alright? And then, when we come back to our next class, we'll move to something else. Alright? But I want you to practice. Now I want you to practice your math. You have to practice, 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 practice. Get your textbooks, textbook practice. Alright? I'm going to put some work down in the chat. Alright? And you can just work to your heart's desire. Alright? So I'll see you next time. Continue to subscribe, 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 subscribe. Press the notification bell so you'll never miss another lesson. Alright? So see you next time. Take care of yourselves and practice, 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 practice. Alright, you take care now.